Guys, welcome to my channel called Be You. So on this unboxing video today, I chose the True Love reading cards is what they're called. There's 36 cards in this. So you have the book right here. These are the cards. So on the book, it actually comes with the box. It comes with a really good guidebook. It's pretty, decent size for a guidebook. What's really neat about this is I love it when they do that, is they give you the actual card in color and then they give you all the meaning next to it. So each one of these has at least one full page of more depth where you can go into it. But when it's like this, you can literally just take this book instead of having to carry around the cards or even the box, and just take this with you, and then you can just hold on to it, ask the question, and then just flip to wherever you flip to, that's the answer. And then you can read from there. Alright. So on the cards themselves, they do have a gloss to them. I wouldn't say they're super thick, even though they kind of look like they are. They're not. Nothing fancy on the sides. They're really slick. They're pretty easy to move. So pretty easy to handle as well. Alright, so let's get started. So in the book, they do ABC order. So since it was not numbered, I did not want to put these in order just for this video. So again, if you buy this, they will be in ABC order. I actually got this from Half Price Books, and I don't think they were in ABC order then either. And I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I know they were pretty good price. I want to say $15 is what I paid, but not too sure. It's been a while. So I definitely like the colors that they chose for these cards. It's very vibrant colors. So commitment is what they have on the box and on the guidebook. All right, and the last one. All right, so that's my unboxing video for today. As always, please like and subscribe to my channel, and share with whoever you want to share it with. And if there is an oracle or tarot deck that you're interested in seeing, just in the comments section, just give me the name and who's it from, and I will check. If it's one that I have, I will feature it on my next video for you. All right, see you all tomorrow. Bye.